Insurance Coffee with Nick. Welcome, Mariska. Welcome back to studio. It's always nice having you here.
Thank you, Nicola. It's nice to see you too.
One of the things we always like to talk about is that, anyone that clicks on anything on the internet, how does that come to you? From China, the States, Europe, it's marine.
Exactly. Like you always say to me, Mariska, everything you see in front of you came from somewhere. So it was either imported,
this cup,
or
whatever,
or by means of inland transit to get from the store to the final, end user.
Okay.
So everything, like you say, comes from somewhere, and we make use of our partners in the freight forwarding industry to help us literally move the world.
Okay.
So on Mont Blanc, what we want to do is partner up with freight forwarders so that we can assist them with the insurance leg of their service offering to their clients.
Okay, so if you're a freight forwarder, a clearing agent, if you're involved with logistics in any way, and you've got the manufacturer of the goods or the company that's licensed, and you're dealing with them to bring in goods anywhere in the world to anywhere, we do marine insurance, no matter whether it's inland transit, shipping, aviation, we insure that. And basically we partner with the freight forwarder to actually help your client, the owner of the goods, insure that stuff.
We understand that freight forwarders get asked to help their clients with a whole package of service offerings. The freight itself to forward it, the customs, the clearing.
Yes.
And why wouldn't their clients then also ask them to refer insurance to insure their valuable cargo that's now being imported from China? So what would then happen is the freight forwarder would get asked the question, and from there, he would go to his partner in insurance and have to fill out an application form.
Okay.
That takes a bit of time. Is the rates preferable? Because what we also understand here at Mont Blanc is that the insurance part is selling his service as well. If the insurance that he can offer is better than the guy next door, he'll definitely also take his service offering over his competitors.
Sure, I mean, it gives you a competitive edge as a freight forwarder or a clearing agent that you can actually give them. So, I mean, without any further ado, we've actually designed a system called Marine One, which is for freight forwarders.
Yes.
Designed by us in conjunction with freight forwarders, clearing agents, for you as a client to be able to use. And so what does the system do?
So the system helps the freight forwarder to generate insurance quotations at the click of a button.
Confirmations of cover.
Exactly.
Acceptance of policies.
Without having to fill out an application form and sending it to an insurance broker. So the system allows them to fill in the details of their client's shipment.
We'll put that up here.
Yes. So if it's an import, they select the import and provide the platform with all the
Awesome.
the sums insured, where it's coming from, the Incoterms, and everything is on the system. So the freight forwarder has all the information and he can plug that in.
So they fill in minimal information to obtain a quote. There's also quite nice, there's an acceptance from the customer, the owner of the goods, the person responsible, to say they're happy with everything. All terms and conditions are explained. It's POPIA compliant, it's FSCA regulations, and it's all backed by us at Mont Blanc, and we are licensed by the regulator to give this advice. And what's nice is our system keeps everybody covered and informed.
Yes. So the freight forwarder is never perceived to be an insurance broker or an insurer at all, because Mont Blanc takes over all of that. All the compliance is linked through our system, and if there's any advice that needs to be given to a client, insurance broker, would step in and
So we
give that
do that.
advice. Exactly.
Okay.
We also assist with the handling of any claims. So if there's an
Okay.
insured shipment through our platform, then the freight forwarder would obviously be alerted first. That gets passed on to us, and our team at Mont Blanc handles the claim. So that also alleviates a lot of pressure from the freight forwarder, because what would happen if they don't have Mont Blanc as a partner, they would have to handle the claim basically on their client's behalf. The client does look to them as they were the partner, you know, linking them to the insurer. So what happens at Mont Blanc is we take that part of the job away from the freight forwarder.
Okay. And also what happens with the freight forwarder and their staff is they basically just in an easy, convenient app environment that we've created, capture the data so that we know what we need to insure, the quotations we give, everything comes out of our system and it's seamless.
Yes.
So the client doesn't really, the insurer doesn't really see where freight forwarder hands off to broker and vice versa.
Exactly.
But in the back end, it's all nicely wrapped up in a bow, compliant, OTPs sent out, electronic signatures. It's really smooth. It's
yeah. We also understand that if the insurance quotation takes too long, his client might use another freight forwarder who is able to provide the insurance quotation quicker. So obviously, like you've always taught me, speed equals service. Our freight forwarders do get the benefit of the platform by providing an insurance quotation much quicker than their competitor can.
Okay.
So it is 100% benefit to a freight forwarder to use the system, yes.
I think this year has been awesome for marine insurance. We've had a phenomenal growth.
Yes, we have.
I think the marine industry out there really appreciates the transparency that your system brings to the table, the ease of use. I mean, it's as good as any social media platform, the way you click in it, the way you do stuff. Really, I've got to commend you and the team. Thank you.
Oh, thanks, Nicola. Thanks so much.
Awesome. Okay, so we're going to go like. You're going to go like, subscribe. Let's go.
Like and subscribe.
Subscribe and like and subscribe. Maybe you're in transport. We've got a transport video right here. You want to watch that? There it is. He was so engaged, he was actually answering me. You see, that's how you know. It's awesome.